In today's video, I'll be giving you guys another update on the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. So let's jump straight into it. If you are new to the channel, I'm doing this challenge in order to earn an entire Bitcoin. So I'm using all kinds of methods. One of them being is the GoMining platform. The GoMining platform allows you to purchase NFTs that represent real hashing power, and you are able to earn a Bitcoin daily. So that is one of my biggest earners of Bitcoin so far. Another way that I earn Bitcoin is with the Gemini credit card. This credit card gives you up to 4% back in Bitcoin depending on the category, and it is absolutely free, no annual fees whatsoever. So every time I swipe, I earn Bitcoin. I tried out one of these Bitcoin mining games, tried it for a couple of months and wasn't into it, so I completely stopped. And recently I have added another Bitcoin game. It is called ByPet, link in the description. So this game is pretty much like a crypto farm game where you plant fruits and vegetables, then you harvest them to feed your pets, and in return your pets mine some Bitcoin. So I started playing this game, and I do believe it has a ton of potential to help me earn some Bitcoin for this challenge. So I started playing it and added it to this challenge, and I will be showing you guys the progress every single month on how much I'm earning from this game. As you can see, I started the challenge back in June of 2025, and that month we only earned a whopping $120. So every single month I'm earning more and more. August of that year we earned 569, then 1795, and so on. My best month so far was in October, where I earned a whopping $2,263 worth of Bitcoin. And as you can see, every single month I'm earning a different amount. Some months I'm doing extremely well, other months not so much. That pretty much depends on a ton of different factors. But let me show you the results for the last 2 months. So we are going to go over to June and July. As you can see, in June, I earned a whopping $643.50 worth of Bitcoin. And that was slightly over 0.01 BTC. And the methods that I used to earn this Bitcoin, one of them being the GoMining platform, the other one with the Gemini credit card. When it comes to the month of July, I earned a little bit more. So with the GoMining platform, I earned a little bit more. With the Gemini credit card, I earned a little bit less. But the total amount was 0.0124 BTC. And at the current price, that comes out to $784.03 worth of Bitcoin for the month of July. So the total amount of Bitcoin that I have earned so far for this challenge is $8,875.19 worth of BTC. And that comes out to 0.1407958 BTC. We're slowly climbing. Obviously, it is taking a decent amount of time, but slowly but surely we are getting closer and closer to that 1 Bitcoin mark. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Crypto is one of the greatest wealth building opportunities of our generation, and the IRS wants 30% of every gain. That is not a fee, that is a gut punch. What if you could legally pay zero? That's exactly what I Trust Capital is built for. It is a self-directed IRA platform that lets you trade crypto, even gold and silver, completely tax-free inside of a Roth IRA. Every dollar of profit stays with you. We are talking 90 plus cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, tradable 24/7. You can stake inside of your IRA to earn passive rewards, tax sheltered, or you can diversify straight into physical gold and silver, all from one clean dashboard. Zero setup fees, zero monthly fees. Your assets are secured by Coinbase custody, institutional grade, just a flat 1% transaction fee. That's it. Stop donating your profits to the IRS. Click the link below, open your I Trust Capital account, and start building tax-free crypto wealth today. Also, if you use that link below, you are going to get a $100 funding bonus as well. And now let's get back to the video. And hopefully with me accumulating even more terahashes with the GoMining platform, I will be earning more in the upcoming months. As you can see, my current power is 777.88 terahashes. Obviously, the goal with the GoMining platform is to get it up to 1,000 terahashes before I start working on my efficiency and a couple of other things to earn even more BTC. As you can see, I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 miners, but I'm mainly focusing on the greedy machine simply because every single week that machine gives me about 2 extra terahashes, which is not bad at all because it is helping me get to that 1000 terahash mark. And when I look back at the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge, the GoMining platform has been one of my consistent earners. I know exactly what to expect every single month. Every single month it is a little bit more because I'm constantly upgrading the power and getting more terahashes. So if you guys want to start mining Bitcoin with the GoMining platform, I do have a link for them in the description box below. It is super easy and it is very passive. You don't have to worry about machines overheating. You don't have to worry about the electric bill. You don't have to worry about setting up your own hardware at home. With the GoMining platform, all you gotta do is create an account and get one of these miners. You are able to create your own miner, or you can go to the marketplace and purchase one from there. The miners start out very cheap. For example, if you want to create one, you can get started with only $16.99. Best of all, you are able to use your credit card, your debit card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins, and a couple of other payment methods. So you'll be able to start with no issues whatsoever, and you'll be able to start making some Bitcoin every single day. Obviously, the more terahashes you have, the better your efficiency, the more BTC you are going to earn. Also, if you use that link in the description, you get an extra 5% off as well. So make sure to take advantage of that discount. The other method is the Gemini credit card. With this credit card, you are able to earn up to 4% on gas, EVs, and transit. And with the current gas prices, you're definitely going to stack up some BTC. You get 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. So every time you swipe, you earn a Bitcoin. And best of all, there's no annual fee whatsoever, powered by MasterCard, and you are able to choose whichever card you want. They are all metal, feel amazing. You can get the black, the pink, or the silver. They also have the custom editions for Solana, XRP, and BTC. With this credit card, you are able to earn 50 different cryptocurrencies. So one month you can be earning Bitcoin, next month you can be earning Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, whichever coin that you want, Chainlink, whatever one. Or you can simply stick with Bitcoin, so every time you swipe, you earn BTC. In my opinion, this is probably one of the easiest ways to earn Bitcoin. You don't have to do nothing. Just use the credit card like you use all your other ones, and you're going to start stacking those Satoshis. And if you use that link in the description to get this credit card, you're going to get another bonus as well. And finally, the newest addition to this challenge is the ByPet game. With this game, you simply farm and accumulate BTC. You are able to purchase different pets to scale up even faster and earn even more BTC. I have already purchased 2 pets, and I have made almost $16 in Bitcoin. All you gotta do is farm some vegetables, keep your pets fed, and you're good to go. You can obviously scale much faster by purchasing pets, or you can watch ads to scale that way as well. The game is absolutely free to download, so if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below. So that is all I have for this quick little update video. If you know of any other apps or games that allow you to earn BTC, drop those in the comments section below. If they're good, I'll add them to this challenge. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments as well. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.